Good afternoon. Today is October 1st, 2020. Let's take a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got practice 2.5 with the exception of third period. Today we're doing practice 2.4. The accelerated class, you have your chapter 3 test tomorrow. When you finish the review, you need to see Mrs. Cap and Warrior Time. You can use the chapter review and practice test for extra help. For science, we need to be studying across the board. Regular classes have our measurements test tomorrow. Meanwhile, the accelerated class has their matter test. In social studies, we need to finish our personal timelines that we started and worked on in class today. In language arts, there is no homework because we will head into Free Write Friday tomorrow. In literature, we have one more week to go. A week from tomorrow, October 9th, our AR points are due. Also, our Seed Folks one-pager activity is due Friday for periods 1, 2, 5, and 6, as well as the accelerated class. Remember, all those directions for that assignment can be found within your Google Classroom. In Careers in Life, there is no homework, and in FCS 6, we need to finish finding the elements and principles. It's going to be it for this Thursday. Everyone stay warm out there.